we're ready to dig deeper than ever before. World-leading experts, new themes and topics, and a more interactive experience. A whole new world ready to be explored.
Psychology does. Yeah. It's fascinating. Have you always been a good natural speaker?
Definitely no. So I've always
Do not miss our next date. On June 20th, we'll be talking about net zero low carbon emissions.
What I'd like to hear from each of you is this. How can companies stick to their sustainability goals and succeed in keeping all their stakeholders happy?
Don't miss our next date. On April 18th, we'll be talking about sustainability and ESG.